Hi everyone, it's the Gooble. Welcome back to Gooble Reviews, and today we're going to do a mini review, so this will be quick. We have these Fashion Fidgets, which I found at Walmart for $1, and they used to be $9.97, which, if any of you paid $10 for this, I'm so sorry. Let's see what it is though. So we get a set of instructions. Oh no, a collector's guide. Okay, so these are all the ones we could get. There's 18 to collect. They all seem very cute, very much look like LOL Surprise type of dolls. Which one do I want? Fancy Nancy looks cute. Oh, I just don't want Dapper Dale. Okay. Okay, let's go and see which one we get. Here. No freaking way. I got the one boy. I didn't want the boy. Who is this? This is Funky Frankie. Look at this. He's cute. He's got a little backpack that moves. So, I mean, that is nice, but... Oh, and then his necklace, which is a $. I don't know if you can see that on there. Let's see if we can get that. His necklace spins. His backpack spins, and it looks like... Oh, his head. Oh, that is quite loud. And that's it. That's all he does. Am I missing something? Does he have any, like... Oh. Oh, and oddly enough, his cheeks click. What in the world? Okay. So it says click, spin, pop, and turn, but this doesn't have any poppers. This is the one of the only ones you can get that doesn't have poppers. I'm a little disappointed because I thought, how cool, it's $1. Maybe I'll get a good one. Nope. So I mean, not exactly a quiet fidget toy either. Just a cute little doll that you can hang on your backpack if you wanted to. And that's it. I would not even have paid $1 for that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and give that, like, for the $10 price, it's a 1 out of 5. For the $1 price, it's like a 2 out of 5. Not much improvement. Anyway, that was a mini review. Thanks for sticking around on Google Reviews, and I will catch you all on the next one. Bye!